Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's Workshop. So I just wanted to take this time and this opportunity just to say thank you to each and every one of you for all of your support and your kind words and all of your, like I said, your interaction here on Little Gretchen's Workshop. For those of you all who don't know, my channel just reached 1,000 subscribers, which to me is an incredible occurrence, because when I started the channel, I told myself that if I could get 100 people to watch me by April 1st, that would be great. And you all have totally blown the doors off of that goal. And I just want you to know I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to continuing to make videos. I absolutely love making videos for you dolls. And I love the interaction. I love the commenting. I just love being able to talk about miniatures every day. It means so much to me. And I just love it. I just love everything about it. And I also want to just thank you for hanging in there with me. I've had some technical issues. I've had some voice issues. I've had some shaky camera issues, but I am endeavoring and committing to you that as we go forward, that I will continue to work on my content. I thank you for finding value in my content in spite of all of the little technical problems, but I endeavor to give you a better overall product as we go forward. And I thank you for your patience. I just want you to know that I'm humbled and I'm honored that you've chosen to be on this journey with me. And yeah, again, I just keep saying that I appreciate you. And I also want to say a special shout out to Miss Whitney Labrie, because you're such an inspiration to me. Also, Shira on Queen City Minis. I appreciate you as well. Just such an awesome artist. And also Lewis Bush over at A Wagon and a Dream. You all are inspirational and you've been encouraging. I thank you for watching my channel and commenting. And yeah, just having the camaraderie here on YouTube. It means so very much. And now I don't want to forget, I want to share with you on an announcement. So we're going to finish out the kitchen and the pantry videos here for the month of July. But as we move into August, we're going to celebrate the entire month of August, celebrating the milestone of getting 1,000 subscribers here on this channel. So the Monday video will be us working on something in the dining room, because we're working on the dining room to bring it up to par. And on the Wednesday video, we're going to do a deep dive tour into my original dollhouse, which was my start to 12 scale miniatures. My dad bought it for me when I was 10 years old, which, yeah, that was many Christmases ago. But that was my introduction, and without that dollhouse, I wouldn't be here today, dolls. So I definitely want you to see my history and what I did with that dollhouse over the years. So I definitely want to share that with you. And at the end of the month, to bring it all together, per the suggestion of more than one of you all, we're going to have a party for the dolls in the dining room. So that's why it's so important that we work on the dining room and bring it up to a state that the dolls will be able to celebrate in there. So that's my plan. I do have some other plans that I'll give you more details about, because I haven't worked them out or ironed them all out. So I will give you updates on our plans for our celebration here on Little Gretchen's Workshop. But again, I just want to let you know that you're appreciated, and I thank all of you all of my subscribers, and also those of you all who haven't subscribed but you're watching. I appreciate you as well, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.